how's it going? Yeah, another day with river fishing, the KP, which stands for Keith Palmer. It's a Scarborough freeze pool, no fancy gadgets or anything. Our usual spot, burst the banks again there. A lot of water fell yesterday and last night. What was on the coast came inland, and the river is really pushing. I'm going to go down to an old spot, another river, but it's a bit of a drive. It's probably about 25-30 minutes drive from my usual spot. It's probably about 30-40 minutes from home. And it's where I actually caught my very first pike. I was actually flicking out a little lure, spinner lure, and on a little 5-6 weight rod, little kiddies rod, and bang, hooked into a pike about 400 long, 400 millimeters, and what a fun it was. So we'll head down there, and we'll obviously that river's going to be full up and flowing as well, but there's some good spots there. See if we can find. There's a lot of coves where the water will be turning, so we'll go down and have a look. Spicing it up a bit. I have three rods, 3 Scarboroughs, 3 different types of deadbait, paddle tail lures. I have a massive big trout. I've taken the treble off